welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. Pope Francis meets with young people from Papua New Guinea at the Sir John Guy Stadium in Port Moresby, encouraging them to practice the language of love and service. Setting aside his prepared speech, Pope Francis engaged in a back-and-forth dialogue with the estimated 10,000 young people gathered at the Sir John Guy Stadium in Port Moresby. You in Papua, who speak more than 800 languages, share a common language, the Pope said, that of love and service. 24 young people aged between 17 and 26 from Germany are currently starting a voluntary service as Don Bosco volunteers, both domestically and abroad. 40 of them are beginning a voluntary service in Germany. For 1 year, they will actively support the work on site in the Don Bosco facilities. 44 other young people are undertaking voluntary service abroad. In facilities in Argentina, Benin, Bolivia, Cameroon, Colombia, East Timor, Georgia, Ghana, India, Ivory Coast, Kosovo, Montenegro, Sri Lanka, Turkey, Uganda and Zambia, Don Bosco volunteers from Germany will stand by children and young people for a year. Under the leadership of Father Mel Trinidad and the delegate of Mission Animation, 6 Salesian missionaries from different parts of the world gathered at St. Dominic Saviour Church to discuss the experiences and challenges faced by missionaries joining the Salesian province of San Francisco. This meeting was a rich exchange of personal stories, highlighting the need for a more structured, welcoming and supportive approach for those arriving to serve in the province. The gathering focused on how the province can create a more welcoming, structured and supportive environment for Salesian missionaries, especially as they adapt to a new culture and responsibilities. The Salesian community of the Centro Don Bosco, Khuborkhasi in San Jose Rio Manso, Oaxaca welcomed Letizia as a Salesian volunteer from Spain to the Salesian Inspectorate Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe MEM. Letizia will volunteer for 6 months, sharing her skills and knowledge for the good of the adolescent Salesians served at Khuborkhasi. The presence of Letizia is the fruit of the inter-inspectorial relationship of the Salesians of Spain and Mexico through the program of volunteering of both inspections. From 2nd to 7th of September, the first phase of the course of preparation for Perpetual profession was held in the Salesian House of the San Tommaso Theologate in Messina. The house welcomed the 34 young people from 4 continents, more than 25 nations with open arms, a wreath of Salesianity from all over the world. After the first years of temporary profession spent in study and mission, young Salesians are now preparing for perpetual profession. Starting from the joys and challenges of the Salesian mission, with the group work proposed by Father Alberto and Zalon, the Salesians then reflected on the meaning of consecration to God through the meditations of Father Giuseppe Casaro and Brother Paolo Zini. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.